Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today is Premier League football and Liverpool have beaten Wolves 2-1. Diaz and Salah. Salah with a beautiful pen and then Matthews Cunha rescuing one back for Wolves. Now it's Spurs versus Manchester United. I'm going to say 2-1 to Spurs. 2-1 to Spurs. And Liverpool have really bounced back from that James Tarkowski winner. They've bounced back really well by beating Wolves 2-1 again. They beat them 2-1 back in Monamu. I think that was back in September. And now they have beaten them 2-1 again. Brilliant game. And now they're really in the mood to win the title. Yeah.